Girls Hairstyles. Today we have Cruz with us. This is my little buddy. Huh, Cruz? Tell him hi.
Say hi, wave at the camera.
Hi. Hi. Okay, we are going to do a fun haircut on him. I'm going to use a number 2 on the sides, which my nice clippers broke, so I'm using my old ones, so they're a little noisy, so I apologize. But we are using a number 2. Ready, Cruzy? Okay, here we go.
Oh, you're going to look so handsome.
Yay! Okay, so again, this is a number 2.
Does that tickle?
Ooh, you're being a good boy, Cruz. You are being a good boy.
We're going to cut your hair. You're going to look so handsome. Let's turn it that way.
Okay, now let's do this side.
Oh, hold still.
Good job.
Good boy. He's my buddy.
And this is his grandma, Shauna. She's a good friend.
Should we take you for an ice cream when you're done? Do an ice cream.
Okay, so I'm just going around the sides.
Hold still. You've got air in your mouth. Hold still. Oh, you're being such a big boy. You're doing nice.
All right, you're doing awesome, buddy. Okay, hold really still, just for a minute.
Oh, keep holding still. Keep holding still.
All right.
Good job.
Okay.
Job.
Oh, I love him. Okay. Now we are going to do the top. Ooh, is that cold, Cruzy?
Yeah. He keeps rubbing that and it's got hair on it, so then he's sticking hair in his nose and then
Okay, let's turn him this way.
okay.
Perfect. All right, we are going to leave this a little bit longer on top. But we're going to go short on these sides. So I'm kind of coming in on an angle, if you can see that. Doing good, Cruz. He is so fun. He's so cute. Okay, so I'm coming straight across here, then I'm going on an angle. Okay, so straight and then angle this down. Okay, so straight here on the top.
That is your hair too.
That is your hair, huh? We're cutting it off? Hey, tell everybody how old you are, Cruz.
How old are you? 2.
You're a good boy, huh?
Wink at the camera. Wink.
Yeah, wink at the camera.
Wink again.
Did he do it?
Wink. Wink.
Oh, sorry.
You bet. Oh my God. That's our,
Candid
that's our Cruz boy. Oh, he's so cute. All right. Oh goodness, too cute. Okay, I'm just gonna hold this out. Come straight across here. Okay, now. Okay, Cruz, just a minute. And then you're almost done, okay?
You gotta keep looking at RaDona. Quit turning your head.
Okay, do you want that a little shorter?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go just a little bit shorter on that. Okay. Yeah, we thought this would be a really fun haircut to show you guys. So again, on the top, I'm just gonna angle this down.
Quit rubbing that in your face.
Whoops. Is that itchy?
Is it itching your nose?
Oh, Cruz.
You're silly boy.
Okay, now let's look at it, buddy.
Look at RaDona.
Hey, look at RaDona. There we go. That's better, huh, buddy? How you doing? How you doing, huh? Okay, look at the camera and smile. We're gonna hurry and
Can you smile and wave? Look
we're
at
gonna
Santa.
blend
Smile.
this.
Way better.
I always like to use a really thin comb to blend.
You can't turn away from her, baby.
Okay.
She'll be done in just a second.
Yep, you're almost done, buddy.
You've been a good boy, Misty.
Okay, now turn to the side this way. Yep, no, this way. Sorry, there we go.
Honey, you
Okay,
still got
so
me.
then, just a minute, Cruz, we're almost done, buddy.
Grandma's just gonna hold your head still for 1 minute, okay?
Good boy. Then you can go get a treat.
Yes, huh?
Okay, so when you hold the comb in, you're not gonna hold it weight, you're gonna kind of come in and out. Okay, now it's turning like this. Yeah, perfect. Okay, look at Grandma.
Keep looking at me.
Good boy.
You're so big. You really do look old now.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, look this way.
Now look towards, a little bit towards RaDona.
Good boy.
Hold still.
You're okay. You're doing good.
Hold still. You're okay. No tears. There's no crying in baseball, dude.
Okay, look this way. Look at RaDona's nose.
Look at RaDona's nose.
Oh, that's a big nose. Okay. All right. I'm going to blend this a little bit more. You can see that needs to be blended just a little bit more. So I'm just going to bring that up.
Hold still. Now shake your head. Look at Grandma right here. Look at
Yeah,
Grandma's
look at
face.
Grandma just for a second.
Look at my face. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Hold still.
Okay.
Come on, put the bottom of the pillow a little bit.
All right. Now, I'm going to take my little trimmers. We'll just go around his ears. Look at the camera and smile. Say
Smile at the camera.
cheese. Cheese.
Let's see your teeth.
Good
Show
boy.
your mom your teeth.
Good boy. Okay, look down. Look down, down, down. Good
There
job.
you go. Good job, Roosty. Good job. You're awesome. You're
Okay,
awesome.
let's see. Look at the camera again.
Let's turn you around. and
Look at
the
Deanne.
camera.
Say hello, everybody.
I'm going to take your arm out so you can wave. There you go.
Okay, now I'm just going to come back here and check it. See, I'm just going to take that little corner off. All the way around. Okay. And then that way, if you have any hair that's not blended, see like right there, then you can just take that corner off and you'll be set. All right. All right, Roosty. All right, Cruz.
Good job.
You're handsome. Okay, now we're just gonna put some clay in his hair.
Oh, you're going to be handsome.
You're gonna be handsome. All right, Cruz. Let's see ya.
Behind the candle cowlick and he's not looking.
Yeah. Okay, look at the camera and say,
Can you look at the camera?
can you tell them thanks for watching?
Say,
Thanks for watching. Say like, please like, share, and subscribe. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Here, I'll kind of turn him around so you can see his little haircut. Okay, Ruth, see this way. Look this way.
Look at RaDona.
Show
Here
him.
you go. Oh, look how handsome it is
Handsome.
everywhere.
All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching and have a good night. See ya.